friends, how are you? So in this video, we're going to practice sight word group 2. I already have another video that's sight word group 1. If you haven't done that, go back and do that now and then come to this video because this is group number 2. And in this video, we are going to help me practice reading the words, spelling the words, and writing the words. If you do not have a whiteboard and marker at home like me, that is totally fine. You could use a piece of paper, a pencil, a marker, a crayon, whatever you can find to practice writing your words. All right, so here we go. We're going to dive right in. So the first word we are going to do is the word is. The first word is. That is a pretty funny sentence. Can everybody at home say is? Very good. Let's spell it together. Ready? I-S. Wow, that's pretty easy. The word is. All right, now let's write it. So I have my whiteboard here and I have my marker here as well. And it's only 2 letters. How do we spell the word is again? Yeah, good job. I-S. So everyone right now, we're going to write an I. Good, and now we're going to write the letter S. And that spells is. All right, let's put it in a sentence. My favorite color is purple. My favorite food is pizza. What is your favorite thing to do at home? Right? That's pretty good sentences. Let me hear a sentence that you could think of with the word is. Very good. Amazing. All right, let's do another word. The next word in our group is the word my. Can everybody say my? Very good. Let's spell it together. Ready? M-Y. Wow, another easy word with only 2 letters. So let's add it to our board. I have my whiteboard, and again, it's spelled M-Y. So we are going to write an M and a Y, and that's the word my. So now we have 2 words on our list. We have is, my. Very good, friends. Let's put it in a sentence. My mom is cool. Oh, nice. My cat is Chloe. I don't have a cat. I have a dog named Chloe. That's so silly, Miss Alicia. So let's say my house is brown. Right? Can you think of a sentence with the word my? Pretty good sentence. I love it. Let's do another word. The word in. Can everyone say in? Very good. Let's spell it together. I-N. Wow, another 2-letter word. These words are pretty easy to remember because they're only 2 letters. Let's add it to our list. And while we're adding it to our list, I want some of you at home to think about a sentence with the word in it. So funny, these sentences. All right, I-N. We added in to our list. Now we have 3 sight words on our list. Do you want to read them together? Is, my, in. Very good. And before we go to the next one, we have to think of a sentence for the word in. Okay? I am in the classroom. Okay? We live in New Jersey. Nice. Can you guys think of a sentence that has the word in it? That's so funny. Just like is. The next word is. So funny. Go ahead. Pause the video and I want you to think of a sentence and tell your parents what the sentence is that has the word in it. Very good. All right. Ooh, this is a good next word. The word you. Can everyone say you? Very good. Let's spell it together. Y-O-U. And that spells you. This is a great word. This word we use so many times when we're talking to our parents, when we're talking to our friends. We hear it in a lot of books and videos. You is a pretty popular word. So we're going to spell it together. Y-O-U. Very good. So we have the word you. That is a great sight word group we have there. Let's read them all together, and then we'll think of some sentences for you. Ready? Is, my, in, you. Very good. You guys are all working so hard. Nice sentence. Are you at home? Nice sentence. Amazing. All right. The next word is the word at. Can everyone say at? Very good. The word is spelt A-T, and it says at. All right, let's write it on our whiteboard or our paper, whatever we have at home, and we'll think of some sentences with the word at. All right, here we go. A-T, and that spells at. Very good. And again, are you at home? That sentence is, I put two sight words in it. Are you at home? Amazing. All right, let's do the next sight word in this group. Ooh, this word. What does this word say? No. Yes, it does say no. This word says no. N-O. Spells no. Let's spell it together. Ready? N-O. Spells no. Good job. Some of you might have asked your mom lately for a second cookie or a big bowl of ice cream, and they might have said no. That's okay. Maybe after learning all of these hard words, maybe mommy or daddy will say yes to your big dessert. But this is the word no. N-O. Okay? Let's add it to our whiteboard. And again, it's another two-letter word with these. They're pretty easy to spell. N-O. Very good. Does your paper look like mine? Amazing. All right, let's do another video. I'm so silly. Another word. This is the word we. Can everybody say we? Very good. Let's spell it together. W-E. And what does that spell again? We. Very good. Let's add it to our list and let's think of some sentences that have we in it. So to spell we is W-E. And that spells we. Wow, look at our list. It's getting pretty long. Nice group here we have. We. We are all at home. We love you. We is a word that you use when you're talking about a group and you're in that group. So we love executive kids. This is we. You know what? We have a lot of words on this list. Let's go and practice reading them from the start. Are you ready? Okay. Is, my, in, you, at, no, we. Very good, friends. Wow, we got a good list going on there. All right, let's see what else we have. Ooh, this word is actually, it might look hard, but it's not because you could sound it out using the letters. G-et, g-et. Get. This is the word get. All right, let's spell it together. Ready? G-E-T. And what does that spell again? Get. Very good. Let's get this word on our list. Nice. All right, we spell it G-E-T. And that is the word get. Amazing. Your list looks just like mine, and it looks very nice and neat too. Good handwriting I see there. All right, we have a few more to go. Ready? This is the opposite of no. What's the opposite of no? Yes. This is the word yes. Y-E-S spells yes. So if I held up the word no and the word yes together, they are like partners. We have no, yes, no, yes. Very good. Let's practice spelling the word yes. Ready? Y-E-S. And that spells yes. Very good. And I already have my marker ready to go to add it to our list. All right, here we go. Ready? Y-E-S spells yes. Good job. And a lot of times we use yes or no when we're answering a question. So if our parents said, "Can you clean your room?" we would say, "Yes, Mom, I can." Right? Or if we say, "Hey, Mom, can I have a gigantic ice cream cone?" They might say, "No, sweetie, you can't." Right? Yes or no. Oh, the next word is he. H-E. Can you spell that with me? H-E spells he. Very good. We're going to add that to our list, and we're going to think of a sentence that has the word he in it. Okay, to spell he is H-E. So we're going to write an H and then an E. H-E. Amazing. The word he. Wow, look at that list. We might run out of room. Ay, ay, ay. He. He went to the store. He rode his bike. Good job, friends. All right, let's see. We have 5 more words. We're almost there. This next word is the word am. Can you say the word am? Very good. Let's spell it together. Ready? A-M. And that spells am. Very good. We're going to add it to our list. I am so proud of you. A-M spells am. Look at that list. We're going to do one more word, then we're going to read all the words together. Ready? Ay, ay, ay. 4 more words, friends. The next word is her. Can you say her? Let's spell it together. Ready? H-E-R spells her. Very good. Her. Let's add it down here. Ready? H. Can you see me? E-R. And that spells her. Good job. This is her shirt. That was her cookie that you just ate. Uh-oh. Her. Well, the next one is she. Can you say she? Very good. Let's spell it together. S-H-E. She. And the opposite of she is he, which we did. Look at this other one we did. He, she, right? The only difference between these 2 words is the S. And when you add the S next to the H, it becomes the sh sound instead of the s, right? It blends together to make sh. So we have he, she. Very good. She is the best. She looks very pretty in pink. She is my teacher. She is my friend. You can make a lot of sentences with that word. Let's add it to our list. Ready? S-H-E. And that spells she. And look what word's right on top of it. He. It's partner word. She, he. She. Very good. You know what? Let's dive through. We have these 2 last words that we're going to do, and then we'll go to our sight word list and we'll read them all together. So we have the word his. Can you say his? Very good. Let's spell it together. H-I-S. And that spells his. His shirt is black. His sandwich is in the refrigerator. Let's spell his. Ready? H-I-S. Very good. And that spells his. We have one more word to add to this list. Are we ready? Here we go. The last word is here. Can everyone say here? Very good. I have my marker all ready to go because I'm excited for this awesome list we just created. Let's spell it together. We'll think of a sentence. We'll add it to the list, and then we'll read all the words. Ready? H-E-R-E. And that spells here. Here is the last word. Let's write the last word here. Okay. All right, we have H-E-R-E. And you see that word down there? That is my last word, here. All right, before we end, let's go back through our list and let's reread all of them. Do you want to? All right, here we go. Ready? Is, my, in, you, at, no, we, get, yes, he, am, her, she, his, here. Amazing. Everybody right now, give yourselves a clap and a pat because you guys just got that much smarter. Have a great day and come back for more sight words.